What's your name?
Connor.
How old are you?
7.
What's your favorite sport?
Bird watching.
Do you even play baseball?
Oh, hell no.
What extra question? What question was that? Number 3?
Are you gay?
No.
Does your mom know you're gay?
No.
So you're gay, but your mom don't know.
I'm not gay. Motherfucker.
Yeah, cock it out.
Shit.
Alright. What's your favorite color?
Red.
Why is your favorite color red?
Why?
Because they're smoking. I hate it. My color's red because I like to light a fire. What?
Do not raise your hands up again.
Hands in the air like you just don't care.
Cut! What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas?
What are you good at?
Rapist.
Good at?
Yeah.
I'm good at taking. No, you. I'm good at beating up my brother.
This is true because Hayden has beat you up plenty of times and you have started crying.
Nuh-uh. Not the other day. You know, like when you see smoke right there. Saw smoke
So every time you have a fire, you beat him up?
Yeah, and I always win now.
The day before Thanksgiving, there was a fire and only your brother and his friend were outside. You wasn't there.
And there was a big fire right there.
No, there wasn't. It was tiny.
What? I mean, like,
Can you teach me about a tornado?
tornadoes are
How does it form?
have a wall cloud first, you know? Spins. When it spins, it forms a mesocyclone, right?
What's a metrocyclone?
A mesocyclone is like a tornado form that when it's not touching the ground, though.
Alright, keep going.
Then when the cyclone finally touches down, it becomes a tornado. Most are small and short-lived, decreasing 105 to 130 miles per hour. But others can last for over an hour, decreasing 200 mile per hour winds. They are beautiful but terrifying. You know your town is in its path. No one, not even tornado chasers like me, enjoy watching things unfold.
Alright, listen. Where should you hide if a tornado comes?
A freaking bathroom or ditch.
Why a bathroom or a ditch?
Oh my god, I'm about
That
Shut up!
could have no windows and no doors.
A ditch ain't even a house.
But it is true that you should not hide in a bathtub number because the bathtub doesn't have enough stable. Or the bathtub isn't stable enough to hold you down.
Yeah, you gotta hide under the toilet.
But you can't get under the toilet. You're gonna get in the toilet?
What about a sink?
How about a basement?
Yeah! Even a tornado shelter.
Your mouth?
Nope.
Your butthole?
Ah, fuck you.
Oh.
Okay, that's done. That's done.
Where you going?
Nowhere.
Connor's mom.
You know what?
Put that down. That's Corey's cigarette. He did. It went straight down the hatch. Whoa!
You know what?
Wanna crack?
Tornadoes.
Thank you for watching me teach you about tornadoes.
Bye.
Bye.